In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a divide symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First is we need to open Microsoft Word. So just simply go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Okay, so here we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find the Insert tab. Here you can find symbol. Click on this drop down and choose more symbols. And then for the font, simply click on this drop down and then scroll down to the S section. And you will find this one, symbol. Okay, now let's scroll down. And here we can find the divide symbol or the division symbol. Now obviously you can simply click on the insert button, but what if we're just going to assign a shortcut text for that? So click on the divide symbol and click on autocorrect and simply type in here backslash divide and click on add and click on OK and close this. Now we're just going to type the shortcut text. It's backslash divide, hit enter, and that's it. Okay, so anytime you're going to add the divide symbol, you simply use the shortcut text that you have added. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.